Well, happy Friday. Was able to find a couple of trades to take this morning, walking out into the weekend on a nice green day. And that's all you can ask for. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and recap those trades right now from the live stream. If you didn't know, the stream happens on my main channel, Trades by Matt, every morning at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So make sure you subscribe and go hang out over there every morning for the actual real-time version of this video. Also, I'm still trading my 50K accounts. I think today was either day 45 or day 46. My 50K accounts on Apex. You can use code TBM for 80% off, which is $37 for a 50K account. And I just also uploaded my most recent withdrawal video on my main channel, bringing my total withdrawals in the last 40 trading days to $160,000. So make sure you go watch that video as well. Let's dive into the recap. Yo! Good morning. Welcome. How we doing? Happy Friday. Alrighty. I feel like the last couple of days that I've logged in, I log in and I think, where the heck are we? We're up at like the 700s. We're getting some really crazy sort of gaps. Period. We're just getting crazy gaps. And it's throwing me for a loop. News-wise, we had PCE this morning. Came in a little green. We've got Michigan Cinnamon at 9 o'clock. That's basically it, unless you're a crude oil trader, in which case you got news at noon. We are opening up well above yesterday's value area high by like, what, almost 200 points. We have overnight lows almost getting tested in the last like 30 minutes or so after PCE news. Pushed this all the way up to 820 overnight highs ish, I think. And then we got slapped all the way down. VWAP at 750, 40 points higher. It'll be really interesting to see today kind of what happens. If we continue to flush lows, rotate below like 680 and so on, value area high, gap fill sort of situation, kind of interesting. But I really don't want to put myself in that mentality early. I really want to see kind of what happens. Yesterday was a great example of why I wait 15 minutes. Today is honestly this whole week of why I like to wait 15 minutes, because with all of these like crazy pre-market moves, I mean, we're like getting slapped right now with all these crazy pre-market moves. It's just good to let things kind of shake out for me, to let things shake out a little bit, to where if you snag the wrong bias and you really enjoy the bias that you're sitting on, and if it's not the right one, like, you're gonna get absolutely hosed. So all that to say, I definitely will be waiting 15 minutes. We got news at 9 o'clock. We'll see what happens. My payouts got approved yesterday, so the accounts, I have not pulled up Rhythmic, but my accounts should be down $2,000 each, which they are, sitting at 60,000 now. And I was sitting at 62,200, so now I'm at 60,200, which is sick. It's like the last 5 days have never happened. I'm exactly where I was when I took the payout request. Video goes live after the stream today, going over my learnings from the last pay period. I'm halfway through this one. It's crazy. Next Thursday or Friday is going to be the next one on the 2nd. Yeah, next Thursday is another payout. Markets are open, so another 40,000, and that will be 50 days completed on the 2nd, which is crazy. But yeah, video goes live today. It's really interesting. After watching the video, editor Andrew was working on it last night and rewatched it through today, and was just kind of like listening to myself talk about my learnings. I very rarely watch my videos, to be honest, because I'm speaking it in real time. I don't really necessarily need it. But I was rewatching, and this pay period so far, the last 5 trading days, has been so much cleaner and smoother, and I attribute that to, honestly, this video and talking through the things that I was struggling through. So, because I feel like I have been better post that video, after not posting. After that video, after I talked it through and kind of reevaluated everything, I feel like I've been in a good spot. Because the last pay cycle was the hardest one I've had. And this one is not there yet. So, which is good. It's a good thing. The Trader Dad Joke in Gen Chat was pretty solid, not gonna lie. Yeah. This got dropped in the Discord last night or early this morning, one of the two. What's a day trader's favorite band? Green Day. That was the unofficial dad joke, and a very solid one, to be honest. Nice push. Look at that. Just ripped. All right, today's dad joke. Official dad joke. April 26th from the calendar. Oh, God. I'm just going to give my best shot. Some people can't distinguish between etymology and entomology. They bug me in ways I can't put into words. I legitimately do not know how to say these words, and I know it's a bug joke, and one of these is like the study of bugs, but I got nothing. Green Day's the winner. I agree. I agree with that. I can say Green Day. Study of words, and one's a study of bugs. Okay, that's pretty clever. If only I knew that beforehand. All right, we are 100 points off the lows, 98 points off the lows, or 97 points off the lows, I guess. But nice rip off the lows for sure. That doesn't really look like a great bottom to me on the 1 minute, but I don't have a footprint chart open right now, so I don't know. Projecting 60s, back into volume. If we go crack the prior low, this is why I'm happy I don't trade the first 15 minutes. If we were to break that prior low, that would just be crazy. But whatever. All right, hanging out at VWAP. Not super interested in hanging out at VWAP. More interested in like we already kind of tested 710. I don't know if I liked it down there either. More interested in either a strong push at 760 in order to get the rotation up to 820s or lower. At VWAP, not super interested in. This is more or less what I was talking about. So as of now, I would probably prefer us to reject 80, come back down, trade the prior high on the session, 65, and then go from there. I don't know if I get filled here, but I would love to. It's a worth a shot trade in my opinion. Okay, getting slapped. Oh my goodness. One point off. News in 8 minutes, 7 minutes. Bouncing the 1 standard deviation this time. Both times. Dang. I'm gonna leave it up for a second and see if I get filled. Alright. I'm in. See some buyers kind of step up here. I'm gonna take $100 there. We flashed to 200, flashed to 10 points in the money. It just feels like it's having a little bit of a hard time. We got news in 5 minutes, and I'm gonna take a base hit. Trade was perfect bottom tick entry, but I'm not really willing to let it slide around. And every time we've been around this level, if it crashes, like these were aggressive moves, so I don't really want to get stuck in an aggressive move. I kind of want to just be in and out. I'd be back up to 10 points right now. So there's that, right? Like, could have taken 10 points. I took 5. It's $2,000. $19.40 after commissions. I'm still happy with the trade. And look, that would have been my actual target, 80. So I would have gotten my full 15 or whatever I was looking for there. 14. Not bad. Looks like I grabbed the actual bottom tick entry. Nice to know. Nice to know. We got 5 minutes till news. Happy with a green trade to start the day off. And it's Friday. Let's go. We might sweep the highs. We might honestly just run straight to 820. Lots of possibilities here. But base hit's a base hit. Not going to complain about it. Very happy with the entry. I waited it out. I took no drawdown. That's all I could want. A no drawdown trade for 5 points is very good returns for the risk. Nice push though. Actually, nice push. What did I get in at? 66, I think, technically. So yeah, about 30 points off of that. 30 points, no drawdown. Not terrible at all. Goodness. But yeah, base hits. Remind myself, base hits. Be patient. Be happy with what you got. Keep on keeping on. Wick test at 10 looks kind of interesting if we're going to be heavy. Bouncing off that 1 standard deviation again. We've been kind of hanging out there a lot. I'm somewhat interested in this if Delta can stay heavy. Maybe I don't get filled though. But that's the type of entry where I would actually feel comfortable with it instead of just marketing in. Damn, for real? I need to start front running myself a little bit more, huh? That's like 1.5 points. We got a little bit of buyers coming through. I'm going to give it a second. Value area high is fine, and the 12s are fine, or whatever that is, the 1.5 standard deviation. That's all fine, but I don't really want another retest of it. I'm gonna go and take that off. Close enough for me. I didn't want to be a dick for a tick. It's 125 there. Brings me up to 225 on the day after 2 trades. Obviously I could be up significantly more than where I'm at, but it's Friday and I'm happy with where I'm at. 217 across the board. One little slippage there, 227 looks like. 2 slippages, 227. Up 43.60 on the day so far. So 4,360 bucks after 2 trades. And we continue to grind on.